Excitement fills the air as the children stand wide-eyed in front of the majestic lion, marveling at its powerful presence. With laughter ringing in the air, the children gather around the tall giraffe, eager to feed it fresh carrots from their small hands. Their giggles echo as they approach the gentle giant, the elephant, ready to share a juicy apple with their new friend. As the day unfolds, the children's joy is palpable, creating cherished memories that will last a lifetime. With each adventure, the children learn about the importance of wildlife conservation and the beauty of nature. As the sun begins to set, casting a warm glow over the zoo, the children reflect on their unforgettable day, filled with laughter and discovery. With hearts full of joy and minds eager to learn more, the children promise to return for another adventure soon. As they head home, their hearts are filled with stories that will inspire their dreams of becoming wildlife advocates. Back at home, they eagerly share their adventures with family, painting vivid pictures of the animals they encountered. As bedtime approaches, the children drift off to sleep, dreaming of their next encounter with the wild wonders of the zoo.